If you've ever searched how to make money online and ended up more confused than when you started, you're not alone. Just a year ago, I was in that exact spot. Overwhelmed, broke, and bouncing from one idea to another with no results. I had no roadmap, no clarity, and no one showing me what actually worked. That's exactly why I created this series. This is the first video in the Passive Income Blueprint series by CashWaveHQ, a step-by-step guide to building real passive income online in 2025 using tools that are accessible, beginner-friendly, and in many cases, powered by AI. The goal? To help you build a sustainable income stream that earns $10,000 to $20,000 per month, even if you're starting from scratch. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 proven paths that helped me get started, and that thousands of others are using right now to build wealth online. These aren't gimmicks or flash-in-the-pan trends. These are sustainable income strategies designed to help you earn while you sleep. Using automation, smart platforms, and affiliate systems that actually pay. And if you stick around to the very end, I'll share a bonus hustle that's paying people faster than anything else I've seen in 2025. Before we jump in, do this right now. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. That simple action not only supports our channel, it tells the YouTube algorithm you want to see the full Blueprint series from CashWaveHQ. It will literally help you unlock the next video in the series, right in your YouTube feed. Let's dive into the 4 proven paths that can change your life this year. Path number 1. Faceless YouTube automation with AI, Tube Mastery, and TubeMagic. If you think YouTube success means becoming a full-time influencer, think again. In 2025, faceless YouTube channels are dominating the game, and they're fully powered by AI and automation. These are the kinds of channels that post top 10 lists, finance explainers, product comparisons, and short motivational videos, all without ever showing a real person's face. I started by using ChatGPT to write my scripts, Murph AI to do the voiceovers, and TubeMagic to automate my video assembly and scheduling. I didn't need a team or a camera. Once my channel started getting views, I monetized with ads, affiliate links, and even digital products. I was blown away the first time I made $1,000 from a single video. The secret weapon for me was the Tube Mastery program. It gave me a niche strategy, a posting system, and monetization tactics that actually made sense. Combined with TubeMagic, I could create videos faster than ever before, and the results speak for themselves. Earnings potential: $500 to $10,000+ per month. Recommended tools: Tube Mastery course plus TubeMagic automation software. Path number 2. High-ticket affiliate funnels, Legendary Marketer plus Systeme.io. Affiliate marketing still works in 2025, but only if you're using funnels and automation. Gone are the days of spamming links in blog posts. Instead, I set up a high-converting landing page using Systeme.io, offered a simple free download, like a guide or checklist, and sent traffic from my videos and social media directly into a funnel that led to Legendary Marketer. The beauty of this platform is that they handle the selling. I just focus on lead generation. And because they offer high-ticket products and upsells, one sale can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Legendary Marketer is a program I truly believe in because it taught me exactly how to set up the kind of business I now run. Plus, when you promote it as an affiliate, you get access to professionally designed funnels, emails, and mentorship calls. It's hands down one of the best beginner-friendly systems out there for earning big commissions. Earnings potential: $50 to $2,000+ per sale. Recommended tools: Systeme.io, plus legendary marketer. Path number 3, TikTok plus AI-powered short-form funnels. Freedom breakthrough. If you want quick traction and fast results, TikTok and YouTube Shorts are where it's at. What I love about this path is that it doesn't require a big audience. I've seen brand new accounts go viral in their first week just by posting the right content. My strategy is simple. I use Jasper or ChatGPT to write short-form scripts, CapCut to edit, and link viewers to a free funnel I've built using Systeme.io. Inside that funnel is an affiliate offer, usually the Freedom Breakthrough course, which teaches this exact model. I've had multiple 3-figure days using this method, and it continues to scale month after month. What makes Freedom Breakthrough so effective is how it trains you to go from viewer attention to lead generation to conversion, all with simple, short videos. It's especially great for Gen Z creators, content newbies, and people who love fast-paced results. Earnings potential: $100 to $1,000 per day. Recommended tools: Freedom Breakthrough, plus Jasper, plus CapCut, plus Systeme.io. Path number 4, Evergreen Email List Building. The Affiliate System by John McLaughlin. This is the slow burn strategy, but it's one of the most powerful. The Affiliate System by John McLaughlin teaches you how to build an email list, craft an evergreen affiliate funnel, and earn passively over time. I set up my own landing page using Leadsleap, created a simple 5-day email sequence using ChatGPT, and started promoting evergreen tools and training programs. Every time I send out an email, I earn commissions, often from leads I collected months ago. This strategy is ideal if you're someone who wants to build a long-term business without having to rely on trending content or daily posting. And unlike social media platforms that can ban or shadow ban you, your email list is something you truly own. Earnings potential: $10 to $500 per day. Grows over time. John McLaughlin's Affiliate System plus Leadsleap Bonus Hustle. Offer AI content services. Earn while you build. Before any of these income streams took off, I started by offering AI-generated content services on Fiverr. I used ChatGPT to write scripts and blog posts, Murph to create voiceovers, and Canva to design social media graphics and YouTube thumbnails. Within a week, I had my first client. I was making $100 to $400 a week, doing work that only took a few hours. It was fast money, but more importantly, it gave me momentum while I built out the other longer-term strategies. You can use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even sell direct to creators and small businesses on social media. Package your services smartly, and you'll stand out from the crowd. Earnings potential: $100 to $500 per week. Recommended tools: ChatGPT, Canva, Murph, Fiverr. Final thoughts: if I can do this, so can you. You don't need a background in tech. You don't need a business degree. You just need a plan. And now you have one. The Passive Income Blueprint series is your roadmap to real, scalable income in 2025. Whether you choose to start with Faceless YouTube, affiliate funnels, short-form content, or list building, the point is to get started. Pick one, stay consistent, and let the results compound. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment so you don't miss the next installment in this series. Every video is designed to go deeper into these 4 paths and give you more tools, more tactics, and more clarity. Check the video description right now for course links, recommended tools, free funnel templates, bonus PDF toolkit. This is your year. This is your blueprint. Let's build something real with CashWaveHQ. Let me know if you'd like this. Delivered as a downloadable PDF or Word doc, converted into a short voiceover intro script, paired with the next thumbnail set. And if you're ready to dive into video 2 in the series, We'll tackle the Tube Mastery Deep Dive next. Let's go!